How to send invisible ink on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Once you're here, tap onto this icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, type in the recipient's name. Now, tap on the chat box over here. Type a message. Hold the send button over here. You will see many effects like this over here. However, you'll need to click on Invisible Ink. The message will vanish once it is done. Now, tap on Send. The message will be delivered with the invisible ink. You need to tap on the message to see it. So by following these very simple steps, you can easily send invisible ink on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.